Wie was er? Je heeft hem zien sparren of vechten?
Ik heb hem zien vechten daar, ja.
Jean-Claude Van Damme, aka the Monsters from Brussels. What kicks would he use in a real fight, if any? I'm basing this on evidence, guys, okay? I also talked to a guy who actually saw him fight.
En als je even een beetje zoekt, dan zie je die foto's met Jean-Claude Van Damme ook.
Oké, mooi.
Ja.
Leuk.
En ook van Thailand kun je dat zien, dat is eigenlijk hartstikke leuk.
Oké, ja. Nou, dat was ik eigenlijk niet opgeschreven. I did not write this down, but now that we're talking about Jean-Claude Van Damme, a big argument on the internet is his kickboxing record. Because on the internet it says that he's 19-1 in kickboxing. Dus,
Hoe, Jean-Claude?
Ja. Wie was er? Je heeft hem zien sparren of vechten?
Ik heb hem zien vechten daar, ja. Ja. En
Maar there's no images of that. Zijn er wel beelden daarvan?
er moeten volgens mij wel beelden van zijn, die moeten er zijn.
If Jean-Claude Van Varenberg, that's how you pronounce Van Damme's name in Dutch, because Van Damme is Dutch. If Jean-Claude Van Varenberg, aka Jean-Claude Van Damme, aka the Monsters from Brussels, if he got into an actual real street fight, okay, without being high on cocaine, without being drunk, without being partying. If you guys didn't know, Van Damme got his ass kicked in the only street fight he ever had against Chuck Cito.
It happens, and then a fight happened, and I was safe. Nothing happened to me.
Even you were that much drunk?
Yeah, I don't know what happened to me. Thank Allah, thank God.
What happened to
No, Van Damme got his ass kicked in the only street fight he ever had against Chuck Cito, but he was allegedly drunk and he got cheap shot, allegedly, right? How would he do in a street fight? Well, who am I to say this? Well, I'm a 4th degree black belt and I know what I'm talking about. I have actually made it a live mission of mine to be like Van Damme is in the movies, but in real life. So the shit he pretends to do in his movies, I actually do for real. Okay, I will link many videos at the end proving this. You guys can wait till the end and see it. Yes, I've knocked people out with it. I've also bounced. So I'm actually a real bouncer. And I rate people's kicks. I will also link the list in the end of me rating Van Damme's kicks and a bunch of other martial artists. Van Damme didn't rate very high. I can give you guys that right now. Tell you guys right now, he didn't rate very high. Now that said, this video is about what kicks would he use in a real fight, if any? Yeah! Lionheart. He only has one image of actual real fighting, which is karate point fighting.
Yeah, because the only thing available on the internet is a karate competition where it's only 12-15 seconds of images that you see. De enige beelden die ik kan vinden op internet is een karate toen hij minderjarig was. En het is echt puntkarate.
Ja,
het is
puntenkarate.
Het is puntkarate. Je ziet hem met een bekertje op het einde en alles, maar je ziet hem nog niet die persoon raken. Hij doet wel een sidekick en een hookkick. En hij wordt zelf geraakt 1 keer, maar...
Who's seen him fight, Tom Haddink, alright, I will link the video at the end. He saw Van Damme fight, it's only point fighting that he's done. Okay, he's never fought full contact, the record that's made up is fake.
Dat is de rest van die beelden vraag ik maar, want dat moet toch wel wat langer staan.
Daarom. Dus het is een beetje fake allemaal wat dan gezegd wordt door mensen of door hem, ik weet niet wie dat zegt.
The record that's made up is fake. Think about it, guys. If Van Damme's record was real, if he actually knocked people out, if he was a knockout artist.
Maar het is niet waar dat hij 19 knockout kickbox heeft, want kom op met die beelden. Laat zien dan. Ik weet het beter, ik heb hem zelf gezien dus in die periode en hij was heel lenig, hij had een mooie techniek, vandaar ook op die demonstratie, want er zijn wel beelden van. Moet je maar kijken, in Duitsland werden vaak van die, hoe noemen ze dat ook weer, van die showavonden gedaan. Dat jij met kickboksen, die met judo, die met karate, demonstratieavond. En dan gaf hij dan ook een demonstratie en ik gaf daar een demonstratie met mijn jongens. Vandaar dat ik hem goed ken natuurlijk. Okay. Maar het is niet dat hij zegt 19 partijen hoor, absoluut niet. Dus Amerikanen, sorry, maar het is niet waar.
Okay.
Knockout artists like myself, there will be more images of him knocking people out. It will be out, they will be showing it. He wouldn't like fix a karate point sparring clip to make it look like he can fight and to only leave a few parts where he's only doing a few kicks and he's not even connecting anything, he's getting hit. You guys seen the images, okay? So I will link that video at the end with Tom Haddink, Badahari's trainer, Peter Arce's trainer. I interviewed him, he's seen Van Damme, he met Van Damme, and he talks about it. He's a legend here, he's the real godfather of Muay Thai in the West, in Europe. So that said, I'm basing this on evidence. On the only kicks that we've actually seen Van Damme use, And the only kicks that I've also seen in movies that he kind of looks like he can actually throw for real and pull off in a real fight, okay? Now, to start off with, his hands suck, okay? You guys see this clip here from Lionheart? He telegraphed. He goes back before he punches. His hands has always sucked. His hands are non-existent. We're gonna have to base this on his point karate images, where he's only throwing 2 kicks from a southpaw stance, even though he's not southpaw, he's a righty, so he fights with his right leg up front. It's his only weapon, his right leg. He can only kick with right, okay? Even in his movies, the showpiece is only with right. So from a bladed stance right here, he will only throw this. And from there, he will try to set up a hook kick. So these are the only 2 kicks he throws. The side kick and the hook kick. There's a clip I seen of him not long ago where he's sparring some teenage kid in the living room. He's wearing an oversized long white t-shirt and sweatpants. He's like this. And you see that he throws this kick, the front leg kick. And even in his movies, you will see that he does it right in the sense that he will throw this leg up first without telegraphing and then move this leg afterwards. So that kick he actually does pretty good. That kick he could actually realistically land. Problem is he's in a side stance. Anyone who can box or low kick will fuck him up. And the hook kick, you guys seen the hook kick as well. He throws it a lot in that fight where he only does this and he only does that but he misses. And also in this clip where he kicked the UFC fighter in the face. He's not moving any hands, he's not doing anything. He goes like this, which just looks horrible. I don't know what he's doing there, it's horrible punching. He goes like this instead of really, you know, he's going like this. Then he makes a weak ass low kick. I took a point off on his low kicks because his low kicks suck. They just look okay in his movie, so he goes like this just to let the other guy think that the kicks are coming in this direction. Then he does a hook kick. Touches him. Now, I've seen clips of him going over things all the time. I think he really connected that kick on purpose for publicity. Kicked him in the face, you know, he said it himself, he's a businessman, he does many things for publicity, including that fake standoff with Dolph Lundgren. So, these are the only 2 kicks he would pull off in a fight, so.
It says that he's 19-1 in kickboxing. Dus,
Jean-Claude?
Ja, dus er staat op Wikipedia dat hij 19-1 is in kickboksen in Europa. Dat hij Europees kampioen is kickboksen. Dus er staat ook dat alle 19 lokaal waren.
Nee.
Alle 19. Dat alleen één verloren, maar dat die verlies ook weer heeft gewonnen op
Ja,
lokaal.
maar die partij die hij vocht, dat was, misschien heb je hem gewonnen, maar het was gewoon een punten. Want je mocht niet op full contact, het was semi-contact.
Fighters, full contact fighters would wipe the floor with Van Damme. That's the reality now. To see a playlist of me exposing Van Damme, click here, okay? To see a video of me with Tom Haddink talking about if Van Damme's record is real or fake, click on this link here. To see videos of me knocking people out Van Damme style, click here. And to see a playlist of me out kicking other movie stars Van Damme style with Van Damme kicks, click on this link here.